Do you know every second 4 births take place around the world? 52% of the world population is of the age group below 30 years. And do you know that 60 years and above age group people population is just 12.3%? If you're excited to know the past, present and futuristic amazing facts about the world, then watch this video till the end. But before watching, if you're new to the channel, then kindly subscribe now and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates on the channel. So let's start. Do you know that the entire population of the whole world can be fit into the area of Los Angeles? And compared to the past, many twin births are taking place in the world. Do you really know that the most populated continent is similar to the shape of two football courts? Do you also know that Indonesia is the home of a few dwarf people and Japan is the most vulnerable to earthquakes? You shouldn't be surprised to know that the name Muhammad is believed to be the most popular name in the world. One of the biggest facts is that Africa and Asia are the countries which provide home for 90% of the rural population. Friends, do you know that the South Sudan is the world's newest country which was formed in the year 2011? You will be astonished to know the fact that throughout the world, all the zoos have adapted the pandas from China. If you are interested and curious to know about the growing population of the world, then you can visit a website Worldometer that tracks the world population all the time. Do you know that one of our favorite social media site, Facebook, has a number of users more than the population of US, China and Brazil? Don't be shocked to know that on the earth there are around 2 lakh types of viruses exist in the oceans. Friends, do you also know that every second 2 deaths take place in the world? Did you know that the longest traffic jam in the world took place for more than 10 days where the cars would move only to a speed of 0.6 km per hour? Till the year 2011 in Russia, beer was just considered as a cold drink but not as an alcohol. Friends, have you ever seen the snow? If not, then don't worry. Around the world population, 2/3 of it have never witnessed the snow. Friends, you will be more shocked to know that US has more number of vacant houses than the homeless people on the streets. On an average, an American consumes around 600 soda bottles in a year. Do you love YouTube? If yes, then you will be surprised to know that to watch all the videos uploaded on your YouTube may require 1,000 hours of your lifetime. Do you also follow Twitter? If yes, then let me tell you that the number of words tweeted on Twitter every day can fill a book of 10 million pages. One more fact is that you may not know that the shape of eyes remains same throughout your life, but nose and ears never stop growing. You should be astonished to know that around 1/4 of the land in Los Angeles is occupied by automobiles parking. You may be more shocked to hear that about 2,500 left-handers die every year due to the usage of gadgets manufactured for right-handers. People, one of the most interesting facts among history is the largest tapeworm that was found in the human body was 35 meters long. Do you know that the dogs are capable of understanding 250 words and signals? And even dogs have proved that they can calculate the simple math. Do you know that in the entire world only 1 or 2 humans can live up to the age of 116 years or above among 2 billion people? 30 minutes of exercise every day helps you to stay 10% smarter and fit. So make it a habit to exercise every day. Friends, it is more interesting to know that our India stands 3rd among the countries in the world to make the world records. Yes, you heard it right. Our country, India, has made the maximum number of world records. The first type of food to be prepared in the microwave was popcorn. Sugar was first produced in India. Maybe that's the reason why Indians are known as sweet-spoken people. The first computer mouse was made in 1964, which was made up of wood. Only 2% of population in the world have been blessed with green eyes. Do you really know, on an average, a person spends 14 days of his life on a traffic signal? Friends, it is amazing to know that while walking, our eyes remain closed for about 10% of the time. One of the amazing fact is that yellow, orange and red colors can make us feel hungry. That's the reason most of the restaurants will be found painted yellow, orange or red. Are you aware of the fact that India produces twice the number of engineers in comparison to USA in a year? But it's sad to say that our country is still facing the problem of unemployment. One of the most interesting facts is that the entire world is witnessed to speak 6,800 languages up till now, and India is the only country to speak 1,652 languages among them. The most loved city to travel in the world during a holiday is Paris. Have you ever imagined what a currency note is made of? A currency note is made of cotton but not a paper. Yes, you heard it right. The nickname of New York City is Big Apple. Do you know who discovered Australia? Australia was first discovered by James Cook. 80% of the people spend most of their nights recalling about the conversations that have taken place during their past and rethink what they spoke was right or wrong. Were you aware of the fact that initially the color of Coca-Cola was green but later a food color was added to it to change it black? 11% of the people in the world use their left hand to perform daily activity. It's very interesting to know that August is the month in which maximum number of births take place every year. Have you known 55% of people start yawning after hearing the word yawn? Friends, were you aware that there are around 200 crore people in the world who consume insects as their daily meal? Have you ever known that ants never sleep during their lifetime? Very few of us know that ostrich is the largest bird on earth, but the fact is that its eyes are larger than the size of its brain. A dolphin can hold its breath for about 5 to 10 minutes and sleeps with an eye open. This is really strange to know that a human brain can respond faster than a computer, and the average weight of it is approximately 1500 grams, and it is the most fat containing organ in the human body. 90% of the people express their feelings through a message rather than saying. Most of the comedians in the world who make others laugh are found to be sadists in their personal life. Do you know that turtles does not possess teeth? A cockroach can survive up to 9 days without its head. Camels can sneeze and spit like human beings do. Before the invention of an eraser, the pencil marks were erased using a piece of bread. Do you know how long can you write with your pencil? You can draw a line of 35 meters long using your pencil. According to a research, about 77 people out of 100 in the world are drug addicts. The bacterial population in the mouth of a human can be equal or more than the human population in the world. Did you know the iron content present in a human body can make a nail that can be 1 inch long? The moon never existed, then a day would have 6 to 12 hours in it, and a year would be of 1300 or 1500 days instead of 365 days. You won't believe that there are few people in America who have never taken bath during their lifetime, and they are doing this just to set a world record. As we all know that a minute has 60 seconds, but during a year there exists at least 2 minutes where it has 61 seconds each. Believe it or not, the total weight of the people on earth is equal to the weight of ants present on it. Very few of us know this. If you want to charge up your phone faster, then put it on flight mode. That helps in charging faster. Every person can dream only the situations that have already taken place in his past. A human heart can beat only 72 times in a minute, but will you believe that the heart of a lizard beats up to 1000 times in a minute? In the human body, the bones continue to grow till the age of 33 years. If you try to count, every 2 people among 100 have been found with blue eyes. No person can sneeze with his eyes open, and the average speed of a human sneeze is at 160 km per hour. Did you know the fact that 100 bats can consume blood of 25 buffaloes at a time in the single year. It's really amazing to know that the human blood travels a distance of 19,314 km in the human body in a day. The length of nerves in a human body is approximately 75 km. Did you know Tetri is the only bird that never perches on a tree, and elephants are never able to jump during their lifetime? It will be hard to believe that most of the Americans spend half of their lifespan watching television. In his entire lifetime, Albert Einstein has never known to use socks. Human beings smell with the help of their nose, but do you know a snake smells using its tongue? The length of the tongue of a giraffe is measured to be 18-inch long. Owl is the only bird on earth that can rotate its neck in all the directions. Petrol and diesel are the two products that are bought and sold in a huge scale in the world. Every year, moon drifts 2 inches away from the earth. It's very shocking to know that the terrible earthquake that took place in the year 1556 killed 830,000 people in China. Newborns can visualize only black and white colors for a period of time. The memory power of a fish is only for a second. The frogs found in deserts stay underground for 11 months in a year and comes out only when it rains. Blue whale can hold water equal to its body weight in its mouth. The Bluetooth was named after the king Harald Bluetooth of the 10th century. Kiribati is the only island found in all the 4 directions of the world, that is north, east, south and west. If you write all the names of 50 countries of America, then you use all the English alphabets except Q. That's all for today. Hope you liked the video. So let's meet in the next video soon. Till then, do take care of yourselves. Please like the video, and if not subscribed yet, then kindly subscribe now. Thank you.